Snoring is caused by an obstruction in the upper airway behind the tongue. When the airway is narrowed, the turbulent airflow causes the tissues of the throat to vibrate, creating the sound of snoring. To eliminate that, you don't need to use a CPAP. There is a more simple solution, tongue retainer. It helps to reposition your tongue and opens your airways. That lets you to breathe normally through the night and finally wake up fully rested. Thousands of people are using this, so don't wait and try it now.
My sleep has never been better.
I woke up feeling great.
I'm so happy that I don't have to do this.
Highly recommended.
This works the best so far.
I've actually reversed my sleep apnea.